Hey guys, so today we have decided that we are going to do like a waterfall type thing for my Grinch area that I'm doing. So this is one of the Dollar Tree mailboxes. Actually, I got this a while ago and I just painted it. And then I just put like some felt on it and some stickers on it. And then I put this on it. So this was just like a Christmas themed one. I have more, maybe I'll show you it later. But so I just painted it like Grinch themed. And then this I thought was very Grinchy and I got at a thrift store for $2. So I picked that up. And then I just have like a bunch of ornaments that I'm not sure what I'm gonna use or how I'm gonna use them because I've never done this. And then, so it shows that like, okay, so one of the things I wanted was for like everything to fall into something kind of like for, I guess, a purpose. And so this is one of the trees from the Dollar Tree, which I think looks like a Grinch. So I just turned it over that way. And I think I'm gonna glue it in the bottom of this half of an ornament here. You know, they come in the one full ornament. And so I think I'm gonna put it in this half of an ornament. And then I'm gonna put it down here, I think. And then the first thing we need to do is use our fork. So I already like made the fork in the way it should be because man, was it hard. So I am just going to put the fork here. I have no idea. I saw this one thing where it just covered it in hot glue. So I thought, well, that's what I'll do. So I'm gonna hold it there for a second. My hands shake, so, but I do have like some cement glue and all this. This is just for me. So if it comes apart, it'll be easier to transport. So it's not really a big deal. I'm not helping it any, like I said, by shaking. Let's see, I have my hot glue here too. So I'll put more in the thing, but it's not like stay there. Nope, it's starting to fall. Hot glue should usually like set faster than this, so I'm not sure what's happening. That's actually why I used hot glue. Probably because my hand is moving so much, and I put a lot down. But I'm trying to get more out of my bag. So we're just gonna hold this for a second. I mean, it is still not sticking. Ooh, it's still not dry. So I guess we'll just hold it here forever. All right, let's see. It's still moving because when my hand shakes, it's still going with my hand. Let me see, is it coming up still? I feel like it's starting to set. So we'll just leave it like that for a second. I'm afraid to put the top on it now. Okay, it is, ooh, it's setting. But I don't want to put the top, oh, okay. Okay, that's enough, thank you. Okay, so I see this is gonna be an issue the whole time. So anyways, then we're going to put our mailbox. Let me turn it sideways if it'll stay. So here's that, and so I angled it so that our mailbox, it would also glue in there very well, and then the mailbox would look like that. So I am just going to glue it in there real quick. Obviously it's not holding right away, so I'm just gonna glue it in there, and then, well, I mean, I could, but I think since that's kind of done, that I want to do it this way. Just trying to figure out how I can get it so that it will hold for right now. So, yeah, so we're just going to, first we're gonna get our glue to work. Oh, I'm on my knees. Y'all know I am not, like, yeah, like I think I'm a crafty person. I'm really not, guys. Like, in all honesty, I'm not. Like, in my mind, I'm like Martha Stewart. But in real life, no. So there's that. Let's see. So now we are just going to place this in there. Oh, come on. Okay. So we have our thing in here, our mailbox, and we are just holding it. Well, that's finally set. So we'll just, and then I'm gonna add some more because there's not really a whole lot up here, but yeah. So let's see. Let's see if that's, so you can see it in there, but I'm just gonna put some more on top. Oh, no, it's coming down. So, and then I'm just gonna hold it like this for a little while. Okay, Amy. All right. So I would let you guys go right now, but, well, I have both hands on here. So there's that. And I know some people will be like, oh my gosh, that mailbox is way too big to go on top of that plate. Like, it doesn't even look right, blah, blah, blah. I'm doing it for myself. So I really don't care. And I'm sure everyone will have their little input, and I'm fine if you're nice, but again, if you're not gonna be, then, you know. So let me make sure you're even still in the screen. Oh, yes, perfection. Okay, so there's that part, and it's actually set. And so now, let me see. Do I want this like that with them falling around it? I have to think about that. Or do I just want them falling? I do think I want it. So, oh, I should have done this earlier. Okay, so we're gonna glue our little friend right here. This is the half of an ornament. So we'll glue that right there. And my hand is, and then that's perfect. Because now, actually, I don't know if you'll fit in the bottom, so let me just see. And so now, we will just turn that, but honestly, oh yeah, it's gonna stick. So there's our little tree. Again, I don't care about like the size of the mailbox compared to the tree. It's more just for me. So then, I just have all of these from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take the tops off. I have some white, some red ones. I have some green ones. So I'm just gonna glue them on here, and like in different places. I know I had scissors because I was super prepared. Oh, here we go. So again, I am just going to take these, cut the strings off because I don't want them. And then we are just going to glue, this is styrofoam, so you know, but then we're just gonna start gluing our things like down the fork and decorating them how we want. So let's see here. I'm just gonna put like some big ones in some of the places, like, I don't know. You all, I saw a thing that said if you put your glue sticks in the freezer, it will make less strings. That's a lie. I just took mine out of the freezer and it's not working. So that is not a true statement. So then, let's see. I don't know what I want. I think I want to do some more of the bigger ones, but maybe we'll do the red ones right now. I want to keep going with the big ones, but then I'm worried like where the placement and stuff should be. So let me see. Ooh.
We are Grocery Outlet and we are your Bargain Bliss Market. What is Bargain Bliss? You know that feeling you get when you find the name brand.
All right, guys, so I'm just gonna put these in here and then place like the little ones in between and stuff, and just see how it goes, and we'll see how our little Grinch thing looks. So I will be back in just a minute. All right, guys, so here it is. I know you're probably supposed to go up into the mailbox more, but again, it was for me, so whatever. It definitely used more ornaments than I thought it would, and it definitely took longer than I thought because, yeah, I'm not, like I said, that crafty. I had these couple, like I'd gotten some of these hearts from a thrift store, and they're just little wooden hearts. And so I did just put a couple of them in there. There's my tree kind of in the background. And then I just kind of glued stuff everywhere. And so there is my Grinch mailbox thing. And I'm actually super proud of it. I've never done a mailbox. Watch it fall apart, I don't know. But I'm actually pretty excited about how it came out. So there we go, and we have our Grinch mailbox done.